Hello students, after completing the second generation of computer, now we will continue with the third generation of computer in the first chapter only. Third generation computer 1965 to 1971. In third generation computer we have following features. It is electronic device called integrated circuits. The device which is used in third generation computer is known as integrated circuits. They were smaller in size and less expensive than second generation computer. They were faster and more accurate according to second generation computers. Some of the examples are IBM 360, ICL 1900, VAX 750. In third generation computer, the size of the computer also get small, price little less as compared to second generation computer, and it's more faster. For your information, transistor and integrated circuits are electronic devices used in many machines such as TV, radio, computer, mobile phone and washing machines. After third generation computer, now come to fourth generation computers. Fourth generation computers started from 1972 onwards. In this generation, we have following features. The device which is used now, it has been changed from integrated circuits to microprocessor. The size of the microprocessor is very small and less expensive. They are smaller in size, they are cheaper and faster, they are very easy to handle. Some of the examples are IBM 4300, ICL 2900, HP 9000. In today's generation, many computer centers, research centers and scientific lab is using fourth generation computer due to their features. Now come to fifth generation computer. It can be a future computer or we can say it's a present computer, because now in 21st century we are using fifth generation computer and more like sixth generation computer, seventh generation computer is also launched. Fifth generation computer will have the following features, or having the following features you can say. They will be or they are intelligent like human beings and will use artificial intelligence for working. They will be able to think and take decision like us. It means they are using their features to take decision. They will be used in areas such as robotics, designing and defense. Now we saw many type of robots are working in our generation. That type of device can be termed as fifth generation computer, because artificial intelligence is a technique with which a machine is made to think and take decision like human beings. When we come to fifth generation computer, it's totally a automatic, or we can say self-dependable device which work with themselves. So children, in this way we have completed our first chapter with all the generation. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation and even fifth generation also we are studying. So in this video We have completed our lesson 1. Now on next Monday you will get your PDF files to write the notes, both bookwork also and notebook also. So next Monday you won't be able to get any video from computer subject for class 6. You will get only PDF for notes. Okay, after that we will continue with lesson number 2 in another Monday. So complete the notes in your notebook. Thank you.